I was 10 minutes into testing the 3S pack in this RC18B2. When I hit a bump, the car did about 4 or 5 cartwheels, and the turnbuckles popped off. The Dogbone went flying in this wreck, and I lost the little spring that holds the Dogbone in place that I thought was so great during the install. So since I don't have another screw and I didn't know what to do, of course I can install it just with the Dogbone shaking. But I've instead decided to dismantle a pin, a clicky pin. I'm going to cut this spring down to size, reinstall it, and hopefully that'll work until I can get a proper replacement. So I'll stick the spring in there just so it hits the back and cut off a length of it, just a little bit more than I need. So there's my new piece of spring. I'm going to install that just the way that Associated had me install the original spring. The little cut in back into the slot. And hopefully that'll hold my Dogbone in place just as securely as the original configuration. So it seems to have worked. The Dogbone's sitting right in there just how it's supposed to be. No shaking. The turnbuckles click, snap right back on. Looks like I have my car back.